Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an exciting haul for you guys from Temu. Temu supposedly is like the new Shein, but we're gonna find out right now. Here's my package. She's real cute, real big. So the first item I have is this cute beanie. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute. I could definitely see me pairing this with something else to make streetwear outfits. I mean, obviously I would style it better, but this is cute. I was waiting on these shoes in the order. Yeah, they look like this. These shoes are really poor quality. Like, it's literally just a piece of styrofoam. I don't know if you can hear that. These shoes, they looked really cute on the site, but these aren't actual shoes. You can tell by the texture. I could rip this right now. This is like styrofoam, but not all of them will be a win. All right, I got some luminous goggles. They're supposed to be these glasses that light up. It has this sort of design that makes it look futuristic and whatnot. Okay, you can see the wiring right here where the chip is. Oh, there it goes. Because I was like, wait, it don't even work. But only the left side is going right now. Okay, so this one's a fail. We're off to a great start. All right, let's get into some more clothes. This is supposed to be a baby tee. I see what we're doing now. This is a baby tee crop top, the pink star in the middle, and it's got pink shoulders. I thought it was really cute on the website. However, this material, I'm pretty sure this is like polyester stretch or something, and it's not giving. I hate shirts that have this texture material feel. I feel like this is very cheap material that companies use a lot. Don't really know how I feel about that one. Oh, yes. Okay, so I've seen a lot of girls on Instagram with this shirt. This shirt has a similar texture in the sense that it is stretchy, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. I wish it was like more of a non-stretchy cotton material, but it does look like the picture and it's very cute. It's this little no sleeve graphic tee. What does it say? Have a good time, relax, Hawaii. I could see me like wearing this. I'm just a little disappointed with the material. And by the way, everything is in a size extra small. I don't even know why I made this purchase. So I got this long sleeve black unitard for winter, but my true size is double XS right now. They didn't have any double XS on the site because they're new. They barely had any XS, but I got this in the XS. I was like, it's probably not gonna fit, but like, let me just try it anyway, you know. But so far, I'm not impressed. Let's see which one this is. What is this? Oh, is this a, no. This is supposed to be a beige unitard. I already have one in black, but it's from LA Apparel and it's really good quality. But it's supposed to be the same thing but in the color beige from Temu. And yeah, do you see how wide this waistline is? I'm looking at this right now and I'm not fitting this. Cargo pants. I got these white cargo pants. Oh, they have a drawstring, so these might actually fit. Thank God. They're actually really big, but they do have a drawstring at the bottom so that they can like go back in a bit. Oh, I was excited about this one. I really hope this one is good quality. Oh yeah, okay. This way better material, way better. So this is I think it's called a racerback crop top, and it has a star pattern on it, and the star is in fishnetting. It's in this beautiful charcoal gray color. I got a bucket hat, a light denim bucket hat. Okay, wait, I've never seen a bucket hat come with drawstrings. These are drawstrings so that you can tighten it. There's a little clasp on the front that says Prank Winter. I don't know who Prank Winter is or what Prank Winter is. This is a denim purse I got. Oh, that's cute. It comes with this little card holder for your wallet, I think. I love the design and the style of it. Man, guys, it's 50-50 with this haul right now. I don't know how I feel about it. What is this? What did I do? What did I buy? Okay, this is supposed to be a tote bag, and I'm really loving the color beige right now, which is why I'm starting to collect a lot more neutral pieces. Oh, this is cute, and it's functional. It's useful. I could definitely see me actually using this for things and not just taking pictures with it one time. Oh, and it's got a shoulder strap too. These are a pair of socks I got in just a bunch of neutral colors. Ooh, these socks are good quality. Kind of look like church socks with the way that they're all ruffled at the top. I got a New York bucket hat. Oh, this one fits way better than the denim one. I'm gonna give this one away. I didn't even need to open it. Okay, I got this. I don't know what this is. It's like a cropped corset top in white with some gold lined embroidery on it. I like that it has some lace on it, and I like the embroidery pattern. So I got the same cargo pants in white and black. Well, they're slightly different because these ones have a white line running down the middle. These ones can fit, I'm already knowing, because it has a drawstring. I like the material of these because they're light and airy, almost like linen. And it comes with real pockets. Okay, period. All right, the rest of the items in here are accessories. Ooh, okay, these look like some cute bubblegum Y2K glasses. They have this heart pattern on the side. Oh yeah, these are cute. Okay, yes, I approve of this message. I love how it fades from pink to clear. I got the same pair of glasses apparently in gray. This is cute. Oh, I like this one too. Ooh, these are nice. Okay, it's like this dark grayish blue. Yeah, these are nice. These ones are supposed to be nude glasses. They look like this. They're kind of big and bug-eyed. I just have to style them, but these are cute. The rest of the items in this package are press-on nails. I have a pack of 5. I have these brown ones, white ones. I also got this fake little nose ring piercing. The last set of press-on nails I got are these ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give this a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you already have not. Also guys, I do want to mention that I have, I think it's 30% off discount. So hit the link in my description box, copy the discount code, apply it to your shopping cart, and get some money off. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
If I'm on your mind, just say that. Brand new biz, brand new Maybach. Got brand new friends, way back. If you must, I can't change it.